Factorising Daily 5. This is day 4 of our daily 5 questions for factorising practice. So the first one, we've got a common factor. So we're looking at the first two terms, 2x squared and 4x. They have a common factor of 2x. And so inside the bracket we'll go x plus 2. For the second one, our common factor is our y squared plus 8. Each of the terms have that. And then in the second bracket, we'll go the leftover, 7 plus x squared. In our third one, we have a difference of two squares, x squared minus 1 squared. So we can write that as x plus 1, x minus 1. In the third one, you may recognise that as a perfect square. Otherwise, you can go through the process and say we've got a equals 1, b equals 4, c equals 4. So our ac equals 4, b equals 4. We're looking for two numbers that will multiply to give 4, but add to give 4, which is 2 and 2. That means we can go to our brackets and write x plus 2, x plus 2. Because we have two of the same bracket, we can write that as x plus 2 all squared. Now you may have recognised that from there as the perfect square pattern and have been able to go straight to that answer. The last one is a non-monic quadratic, so we have a equals 6, b equals 5, c equals negative 6, our ac is equal to negative 36, and our b is equal to 5. So we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to give negative 36, but add to give 5. So we need one positive and one negative. Into 36 goes 9 and 4, so if I make the 4 negative, when I do 9 plus negative 4, I'll get a 5. When I do 9 times negative 4, I'll get the negative 36. So I'm then able to change that 5y into 9y and minus 4y. So I can write 6y squared plus 9y, take 4y, take away 6, or I could have switched the order of those two. Then I look at the first two terms and I have a common factor of 3y outside of 2y plus 3. And then here I can take out a minus 2 and I get 2y plus 3 in the second bracket. I now have the same thing in those brackets, so I can take that out the front, 2y plus 3. And in the second bracket will be 3y, take away 2.